Hey guys, welcome back to Xamarin guys. So in this tutorial we are going to fix navigation flashing issue that is in Xamarin Forms Android. So this is the fix, that is whenever we are going to navigate, then we are going to remove the flashes on the Xamarin Forms Android project. So let's create a new Xamarin Forms app. Then let's go to our app.xaml.cs. Here we'll tell that we are going to create some random 3 pages using navigation page and then new main page. So we are just creating 3 pages where each button click will go from one page to the another page. So let's create a new page, name it as main page 1. So I'm going to select content page YAML and then I'm going to change it as main page 2 because we have already main page that is represented as 1, and whenever I click on main page 1 button, then I should go to main page 2, and same as whenever I click on a button in main page 2, then it should navigate to main page 3. So we don't have any code inside our code behind of xaml.cs. So let's type button background color as black, text color as white, vertical option as center and expand, margin as 20. So I'm going to give my button name as my first button. So this button, whenever it's clicked, then it should go to the main page. So this is basic navigation that I am doing. So you can just create 2 pages and then try it. So let's go to the code behind of mainpage.xaml.cs. Whenever this button is clicked, then that event handler is being called. Then let's copy that whole code, and then I'm going to change my X name as my second button because we are going to represent this button as a second button, and whenever that button is clicked, then I'm going to navigate to my page 3. So let me copy that, let me paste it over here. So I'm again going to change X name of my third button to my third button, and same as like that I'm going to create a new event handler. So let's go to the code behind of mainpage.xaml. Here I'm going to tell that if button is clicked, that is our first button, then it should go to main page 2. So whenever the button is clicked from my main page 2, then it should go to my main page 3. So this is very basic navigation between pages. So let's go to the Android implementation. So this is the major implementation that we'll be implementing inside our Android project, that is removing the animation between the navigation. Let me give class name as nav animation renderer. So this renderer class is going to interact with native navigation between pages in our Xamarin Forms Android, and we are going to exclude all the animation. So we are going to apply the approach of rendering technique, that is exporting the renderer from our Android to the shared project. So in order to save some time, I'm just going to copy and paste the code. So it inherits from the app compact, and we have 2 options, that is system runtime and Android component, and the second option to be selected. So see, this is the threading task which just exclude all the animation between the pages. Now we are done. So let me set my Android project as my startup project. Then finally we need to change the background color in order to, so that we have fixed the issue of flashing of screens. So let me change all the content page background color as black here also. So we are done. Now let me just reverse it so that our button might be visible and which will be at center of our screen. So same as for our second button and same as for our third button. Now let me start the project and let's see whether it gives us the final output or not. So let me click on my first button. Okay, we have successfully removed the flashes of between the screens. That's all for this tutorial now. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Keep in touch for next tutorials.